When an author or even an artist so much as attempts to do anything that requires a little bit of technical skill, like marketing, they lose their ability to function. Sales funnel. I just got finished writing a 600-page masterpiece, and you're telling me to mash it up in a blender and push it through a funnel? And what's all this about creating content? Are the contents of my novel not enough for you marketing gods? I give up. But it doesn't have to be that way, my precious. For those of you who have opted to self-publish your book and traverse the forbidden depths of advertising, I feel your pain. But there's good news. If you've ever felt overwhelmed with marketing your book or masterpiece, then keep watching. One thing that we all know that you can do to start putting your name out there is using social media. If you don't already have an Instagram, you must get one immediately. And no, simply having a website is not enough. People have to actually know it exists in order to find it, right? You don't want to just spend time building a website and leave it there expecting for people to come across it. Then you'll end up feeling stupid like how I felt after I jumped to conclusions one time.
Well, these wooden masterpieces were built off the backs of
Slaves?
the Amish. What?
What? Yeah, you don't want to do that. Instead, use social media to promote your book and your website in a way that's not so salesy. Another cool way to market your book is to create an email list. You can do this by asking your followers to sign up for your newsletter in exchange for their email addresses. This is a great way to promote any of your future books because you already have a list of people who are already interested in your work. And when you ask for their email, be sure to give them something free, something valuable in exchange, so that you kind of incentivize them to sign up. Something free can be like an excerpt of your book, maybe even a short story, or something like, joining a contest to get your book for free. Something else that you should do, and you really need to do, is to create free content on the internet. Content can come in the form of blog posts where maybe you talk about your writing life and you bring your readers into your life behind the scenes. Content can also be in the form of a video like I'm doing here on YouTube. If you're brave enough to show your face and potentially in front of millions of people, then that might just be something to consider. For more marketing advice, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I post videos weekly. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Valerie, and as always, stay cozy, storytellers.